Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to see who is behind a fake Instagram account, which means if you have recently seen a person who follows you on Instagram and you have a doubt that that person is a fake account on Instagram. So how you gonna do that? So there is a simple method if you want to check whether that ID is fake or not. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply open their profile, and after that, what you have to do, you have to simply open their profile, and after opening their profile, what you have to do, you have to simply check their posts whether their posts are real or not. Moreover, you can also check their followers. If their followers also are in a doubt that they have a fake account, so in this way, the first method is that you can simply check by this way. And if you want to go for the next step, which is as that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on Play Store, and here you have to simply search for Fake Finder Instagram, and here you will find a lot of apps which provide you the facility that you can check whether that account is a real one or a fake one. So if you want to check that account is real or fake, you have to simply remember the username of that account, and after that you can simply install any of these apps and you can check whether that account is fake or not. But I will recommend you not use these kind of app, because these kind of app usually steal your data. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.